Chaotic, the first word. Have you ever witnessed chaotic room, chaotic personality, chaotic law and order situation? What is this chaotic word? Have you ever come across this word? Because this word is now in trend and everyone is using this word, whether to describe the personality, whether to describe an disorganized, disordered room in a messy condition where everything is scattered here and there, and it is particularly used for chaotic law and order situation where administration, where law enforcing agencies like police and army are not performing their role and they are not controlling law and order situations, therefore they are spreading many kinds of crimes. So this chaotic word, have you ever witnessed, have you ever applied and utilized this chaotic word in different context? This is the right version to understand, to memorize and to organize and to utilize one word in different context. So the very first word in my list is chaotic. Chaotic. Chaotic means it's derived from chaos. Chaotic means disorganized, disordered. When everything is scattered in a mismanaged way, this is called chaotic. A chaotic personality cannot be the center of attraction. A chaotic room where everything is in disorganized condition, where everything is in messy state, cannot be the source of applause for the organizer. Likewise, the chaotic law and order situation is the breeding ground for crimes. So let me know in the comment section how would you use chaotic word in any situation. This is your assignment. The next word on the list is tender. 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 Tender means showing gentleness, kindness, affection. And the next meaning is soft and delicate in texture. Tender means soft, kindness, affectionate. Oh my God, a tender heart person or a tender person can be the center of all attraction. A tender person can educate the people in the best possible or in the best convincible manner. A tender person can convince all the persons, all the people, all the community around him in the most successful manner. So tender. And this texture means this texture is very soft and tender. This texture is very soft, and the texture of this marker is smooth, is not tender. It's smooth but not tender, because tender means soft. The next word is bliss. Bliss means complete happiness. Bliss means complete happiness. It is extreme level of happiness. When I found that I am getting the appreciable comments by my audience, my bliss was at the top position. So it is a blissful situation that we are a source of education for one another. So it is a blissful situation that nowadays internet is facilitating every person, whether he is strong or weak, whether he is poor or rich. What kind of source? A source of education. A source of education as well as of income for everyone who has a talent. This is a bliss for everyone. Wanderlust. Wanderlust now means a strong desire to travel around the world. Oh my God, I have a strong wanderlust to travel all the world and to visit the beautiful places, the beautiful mountains and lofty mountains, the beautiful valleys and and the oceans and the seas and the streams and all the beautiful things in the world. I have also a wanderlust to see the lost corner of the world. Do you have a wanderlust? Or have you a wanderlust? And what kind of wanderlust do you have? Let me know in the comment box. Serene. Serene means calm, peaceful, untroubled. The serene environment is the right kind of environment to have meditation, where there is no trouble, where there is no noise. It is only a peaceful, a calm situation, a serene situation for meditation, for have thoughtfulness, for planning, for having an action plan for your all dreams to come true. Bed rotting. This is modern terminology. Bed rotting. What is bed rotting? When you do not want to do anything and you just want to scroll down, either it is Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, anything, that is bed rotting. Now it's a trend, and we often see many videos on this bed rotting trend, that one person is just lying on the bed and scrolling down. Either it is Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube videos aimlessly. And this is the negative trend. We have to avoid this bed rotting condition. Next, jitters. Jitters, feeling of extreme nervousness. Jitters. Do you feel jitters when you enter an examination room? Do you feel jitter when you want to speak English and words are not coming to your mind? Do you feel jitters when you want to speak with a native English speaker? Do you jitters or do you jitter when you are at a alien place, at a in a foreigner country? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Undaunted, very beautiful word, very beautiful word. Not intimidated, not terrified or discouraged by the difficulty. That man is an undaunted. The best quality of my viewers, the best quality of your teacher is undauntedness. I am not intimidated by the difficulty of circumstances. I remain always hopeful, and this is the best quality of my personality, which I like the most. That because recently I received the one comment, and the comment was that, ma'am, why you are regularly uploading your videos despite the decreasing number of the views? You are certainly an undaunted personality. And I replied to that comment that yes, I am undaunted personality. Why? Because I always remain hopeful for the positive changes, for the positive conditions. Because my aim at this platform is to teach, is to educate, even if I can educate only one person. So remain hopeful, remain positive, and remain an undoubted personality. An undoubted personality. This should be the trait of everyone. Helpless. Oh my God, experiencing extremely bad luck. Then we call helpless. Helpless. Now, our helpless team lost every match during this year. This helpless boy lost all his luggage during the travel. A helpless beggar was there begging for mercy. Helpless means feeling extremely bad luck. That is called helpless. Hindrance. Hindrance means slow down or put difficulty. We should not put hindrance in the path of progress of others. Why we are always putting hindrance in the path of others? We should be the source of comfort, not of hindrance. Share your own views. Justify, to show or prove to be right. Sometimes it is futile, sometimes it is useless to justify yourself, even if you are right, because people around you just bent on proving you a wrong personality. Abstruse, 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 difficult to understand, obscure. Sometimes the easy words become abstruse because of the methodology of teachers. Some of the explanations become abstruse, difficult to understand, difficult to comprehend because of the methods of some trainers. Ebullient, 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 cheerful, extremely happy. I want all of you be an ebullient person. I truly want that every person living on this planet should have this one ebullient personality, ebullient attitude towards life. Difficulties are the difficulties, you can say that they are the building block, they are just the part and parcel of your life. Live your life because you have got only one life. If you just disappear from this scene of life, you cannot be returned back, you can't come back. So if there is no choice to come back, then why we are just having this worried situation about the difficulties? We have to conquer. If we can't conquer, we have to keep our struggle. We have to do our struggle. We have to keep our optimism. We do not have to be a jittered one, nervous one. We should not experience bad rotting. Rather, you should experience yourself as a ebullient person, a person with serene environment, a blissful person, not a chaotic personality. Hope you have found this video an amazing and informative video. If you liked it, it's my request to share it with at least 10 friends of yours, so they can also contribute their valuable situations in the comment section. And till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.